Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So here I want to talk about another issue which you can get if you are new to Odoo and you haven't worked on Odoo too much. So here you can get, so we have already used the if condition. So if you don't add this if condition, you will get an error message which is like division by zero. So let me try to show you what kind of error you can get. So let me just try to remove this code and let me run the Odoo code again. And okay, so let me refresh this page and let's see what errors we can get. Okay, so after the page refresh, we should be able to get the error message if there is any. So here you can see you got the error message. Let me go to the end of the error message. So you can see you have got the error message which is like division by zero. So whenever and it shows like the error is inside this computed method and inside this code. So the error is because like one of the record like seeds value is zero. So if you divide anything by zero, you will get an error message in Python. So this is the problem, and in order to solve this problem, we use this if condition. Like if the seeds which is the denominator, so if the seeds is zero, then return seeds zero to taken seed zero. Otherwise you need to calculate the percentage, because if the seeds value is not zero, it is negative or it is positive, it is divisible, so it can be divisible and you can store the value. So this is how you can solve this problem. And then we just need to restart Odoo service and refresh the page and the error will be gone. Okay, so after the page refresh, you will see. Okay, so here you can see all these records. So if you go here, you can see the number of seats is zero, therefore you are getting the error message. So I'm just trying to show you different scenarios that you can face in Odoo in advance, so you can get the idea and you can avoid these mistakes. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of such amazing videos. Thank you.